Hey guys, so it's Thursday and I think it's 3 o'clock. We're waiting for G to get off work. We have to go, and I don't know why I feel like I sound really low. We have to go and get the car fixed. It's been acting up. This is probably going to be a short vlog. I just made a little mini life update because you know, we haven't vlogged in a while, and I was watching it and I seemed like, you know, cool as a cucumber, and then you start to think about stuff and you start feeling some type of way. But anyway, I'm getting Elijah dressed. I think G should be leaving soon if he didn't already, so that means he'll be here soon. And I want to go try on this shirt for try on the shirt that Elijah used to wear when he was little, and it's too small. Like, his little belly makes the shirt go up in the front. He's been, for some reason, I don't know, because, like, you know, at nighttime sometimes I put his hair in a ponytail, and, you know, if sometimes during the day he asks for it in a ponytail, sometimes I'll braid it. We haven't cut it yet because he doesn't want it cut, you know, so I figure as long as it stays curly and it doesn't go down his back or whatever, he can have it. He can keep his hair. Right, babe? You want to keep So yeah, that's it going on right now. I guess we'll update you guys in a little.
Taste the lights go the wheels. Okay, that is go that way. Yeah, go that way. Come on, da 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 da.
Wait. So we're waiting for the car. G's using the phone. And, hey, don't you go down those stairs.
Stairs?
I don't even know where he went, but we're just waiting outside. And I don't know how long it's going to take for them to fix the car. They didn't even take it yet. So, that's what we're doing right now. So, we're still waiting for them to, even just look at the car at what might be wrong. Elijah is, in heaven touching everything because we decided to come back to the car because G needed to charge his phone because they said they were going to call his phone and his phone was dying and he gave him his number. So, oh, look at them. We just went in to see, what's taking so long because we've been here since 4 and it's almost 6. And they still haven't even looked at it or taken it back. But that's how we're sitting in it because we left the doors unlocked and everything. Oh my gosh. Still waiting. No word, Dad. It's probably 6 o'clock. No word, Dad. No word, Dad. Yeah. 5:54.
Dad.
Just to get it looked at. They didn't even have it back there. They weren't even working on it. Are they gonna tell you before they start working?
Yeah, they're gonna tell me what I need, and then they're gonna tell me the price, and if I want it, then they're gonna do it, and then it's gonna be another 2 hours. Might as well go get
Wawa hoagie.
No.
Oh. A foot long? A turkey bowl? No.
It's not that season yet.
It's out.
The turkey bowl's not out.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
It was out in
November.
But this girl that I watched, she got hers and she lives around here.
They got a boogie bowl. A boogie bowl?
No, I'm good.
I'm not seeing.
Yeah, he's sheep.
No, I'm not seeing. Hi guys.
So guys, we're still not home and it's 8:40 at night.
My mom is going to the dad.
My mom ended up somehow knowing that we were gonna need her, and she met us at the car place, and they try to overcharge us for whatever we needed done. And she knew a friend that could do it for cheaper, and you know, he's a mechanic, so he's gonna do it for like way cheaper, like almost $300 cheaper. And yeah, ridiculous. So right now they're towing the car. I mean, we towed the car, they're putting it at the place, and I don't know what we're doing, but I'm hungry. We still haven't eaten. We're supposed to go food shopping. And yeah, so I don't know, this is probably going to be the end of the vlog. Say bye.
Bye.
Say see you later.
See you later.
Say peace.
Peace.
Really?